Hi, it's Karolyn. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to get a textured buttercream on a buttercream cake. Excuse me, I'm filming with my iPhone and I'm not that great at doing videos yet. I'm still trying to learn, so just bear with me. So right here I have a cake that's already iced in buttercream. I have it was sitting in the refrigerator overnight, so the buttercream is solid, so when I put on the new layer of buttercream it won't mess up the layer underneath. So what I do is just take on my spatula some buttercream and start putting it around the plain tier. I already did the top tier just to show you what I'm going to be doing on this bottom tier. So using gentle pressure, the buttercream is solid because it's just out of the refrigerator, so it would take a lot of pressure to really mess it up, but you're putting on this layer of buttercream, so it doesn't really matter if you mess up the bottom tier. What you want to make sure is that this top edge stays straight and neat. So just keep getting some more buttercream on your spatula and putting it on the cake until you cover the whole cake with the new layer of buttercream. And what we're gonna do is wipe the buttercream off of the spatula. So you're gonna wanna have a clean, warm spatula when you start making the design in the cake. So now that is all covered, I'm gonna wipe the spatula off, run it under hot water. And now, this edge up here is a little messy, so I'm just going to lightly take my spatula and scrape the excess buttercream off of that top edge. That way the top is still straight. And there's a spot right here that I missed. I'll just go over that again. Keep running this under water. Now that I have the buttercream on, I'm just going to take my spatula and I'm moving the turntable with my bottom hand and just holding the spatula straight, making straight lines coming across, lifting up my spatula every now and then as needed. I don't want to have perfectly straight lines. This is a rustic look. So I want to keep taking my spatula off of the cake. So keep coming down further as you're turning the table. I'm not staying in the same place. I'm bringing the spatula down so I can cover the whole cake with the new texture. Keep wiping off the spatula and rinsing it to get it clean as you feel needed. And coming all the way to the bottom. And as I did that, some of the icing came over the top edge, so I'm just going to clean this off real quick so there's no icing sticking over. Now you can leave the icing sticking over because it gives it a nice rustic look, but I just didn't want to for this one. And there's a rough textured buttercream cake. I'm going to add a couple flowers for this to this, and it'll be all done. I hope that helped. Bye-bye.